Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix that problem that you have on your HiTV, easy and quick. So what you have to do, go open your settings of your mobile phone, and right now go click at apps option, and here on apps option search for HiTV. Click on it like this and scroll here this list down and click on storage option. Click just clear cache at the corner of the screen, and back now click on force stop and click OK. So go here to Play Store or App Store, try to update your HiTV if the update is available. Restart right now your device, and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.